You don't know how to use YouTube, seriously, I'm not trying to be rude, but 95% of users are only using about 10% of YouTube features. In the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to show you 10 hidden tricks that will completely change how you watch and interact with videos forever. Let's jump right in. You are probably using your mouse like a champ to pause a video. Stop it. Just press key or the spacebar. Same thing. That's number one. Too easy. Let's level up. Miss what I just said. Don't drag the slider and hope to get it right. Just smack on the J key to rewind 10 seconds or press on the L to fly 10 seconds and skip the boring parts. Too loud, just press M to mute and unmute without hunting the volume for the slider. Okay, let's get immersive. Tired of pressing the little box to go full screen? Just press F. Boom, number 5. To get out, press F again or escape. I don't care, you are a pro now. One of my favorites, press T to turn on or off the caption. Perfect for late night watching or when you don't want to miss a word. Now this one is a game changer for tutorials, reviews or any long videos. You don't need to drag the progress bar to a specific section. Press any of the numbers key from 0 to 9. For example, if I hit 4, the video jumps straight to the 40 mark percent. Super fast. And here's a hidden gem for long videos with chapters. Use control left arrow or control right arrow to skip between sections. No more scrabbling around. Just jump straight to the next chapter. You know that little button you click to pop out the mini player? Forget it. Just press I. You can now browse your subscription, comment or literally any other tab while still watching. Press I again to bring it back. Next, the full screen mode is too immersive and the normal view has too many distractions. There's a perfect middle ground. Press T for theater mode. It is best for both worlds. A big screen, but with all the controls, description and comments still right there. Press T again to exit. Oh, here's a hidden one most people miss. If you press and hold the spacebar, the video plays in fast forward. The moment you release it, it goes back to normal speed. Super handy when you just want to skim through a part quickly. So that's your crash course. I challenge you to try one of these in your next browsing section. I bet you get hooked and you will never go back like a clicking maniac. If you accept this challenge, leave a comment and tell me which one you tried. And if you are ready for more, well, you know what to do. Hit subscribe. I appreciate you for watching. Go and enjoy your new superpowers.